Dylan here with Mid-South LED. Today we are going to work on a 2025 Yukon AT4. We got a couple new products we have done a pre-order on and should be getting shipped out of here before too long, a couple more weeks on it. We're going to get rid of these ugly orange reflector lights on the side of the bumper and install these. These here are going to be color matched and they're going to have the white LED in it. But we will have a couple of different options. We'll have a clear lens, a smoked lens, a painted lens, and then we'll have two options on the color it lights up as. We'll have white and then we'll have amber as well. But if you just hold a second, we'll show you how to install this stuff. All right guys, we're about to get started with this. This is one of our guys, his name's Chris. He's going to show you how to do this while I talk and walk y'all through it. The first thing you're going to get is a T15, and you're going to take all of these, well, not all of them. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 torque bits in there to get 6 or 7, whatever. You can take as many out as you want just to be able to get your hand back there. Alrighty, and after that, do you need to get that one out? Okay, we're going to do this one down here by hand just because the tire's in the way. We could move the tire, but it's just quicker to do this. We may have to move the tire. After you get about 6 or 7 torque screws out, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to stick a little flathead in here where you pulled one of these screws out at. You kind of just pull the carpet out with it, and Chris is going to show you how to do that now. There you go. And then now, once you do that, you have access to, there's your fog light right there. And then right here, you're going to have 3 7mm on this. You're going to have to pull off. Let me go ahead and try to get that. There's going to be one at the top, one on the right there, and then one on the very bottom down here. There he is, right here in front of it. And then on the fog light, you're going to have 3 7mm. You're going to have one right there, one there, and one there. You're just going to disconnect your harness there. And then for the reflector light, you're going to disconnect your harness there. There's little red tabs right there. You're going to take a little, you can use your fingernail or you can use a flathead. You're going to kind of unlock it, pull it back a little bit, and then you'll go back and clip everything. But Chris is going to show you how to do all this right now. All right, so we're going to do this fender light reflector. There's going to be 3 7mm on the back side of this. You're just going to pull that out, and this pops out, and you'll disconnect it for the plug. Chris is going to show you how it's done. All right, now we got those 3 7mm. We're going to pull it out and pop in the pigtail off first. There you go. All right, now maybe we can show the camera a little bit better how to do this. There we go. Okay. So that's a red locking tab in there. So you're going to take it and just pull it up, and then you'll be able to unplug the whole plug after that. There you go. And then now we're going to get rid of that ugly orange one. And put that bad boy in there. And you're just going to go in reverse steps. You're going to plug it up, then put it in there, make sure it's all lined up, and then after that, you'll bolt it in. All right. Look how good that looks. Way better than that orange. Matches perfect, paint does. All right, guys, Chris is going to put those 7s in there, and then we'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, after you get it bolted in and plugged up, and I would definitely test it, make sure you didn't plug it in backwards or anything before you zip all them torque screws up. We're going to turn it on, make sure it works. Cool startup sequence there. Super bright light. All right, it works, so we'll turn it off. And then now you know you can go ahead and zip it all up. So if you want to get any of these LED side marker lights, whether we paint them or keep them clear or smoke them, You can go to midsouthled.net, order them on there. Make sure you give us a big old like and subscribe and share to everybody you know. We appreciate it.